Hi, grade ones and twos. Today is Thursday, the 20th of August, and let's have a look at our learning intention. We are learning to flip shapes. So on Monday and Tuesday, we were sliding shapes across. It doesn't have to be a shape, it could be anything that we could slide across, and it looks exactly the same. And yesterday, we started looking at flipping shapes, and that's what we're going to focus on today too. So when we flip something, it looks like it's being put in the mirror. It looks like this. If I flip this hand, if it's put in the mirror, it will look like that. So I know that flipping makes it look like it's in the mirror, which is why I have my mirror here. Let's have a look. When I go in the mirror, hear myself, I've been flipped. See? It looks exactly the same, but I'm flipped. So no matter if I look this way, it's a mirror image. All right, so let's have a look at the arrows that I've got on this next slide. It says, let's slide the arrow. The arrow has been slid across, which means it looks exactly the same. But when it's been flipped, it looks like it's been in the mirror. I think if I put an arrow next to the mirror, it would look exactly like that. I'm going to show you with my hawk. All right, I'm going to put the hawk in the mirror, and you're going to see how it's flipped. See how it looks? That's the opposite. It's a mirror image. So it doesn't look exactly the same. If you notice, see on the original, the hawk is looking that way, but on the mirror, the hawk is looking that way because it's been flipped. What if I put it this way? See how it's a mirror image. That is what a flip is. So we need to do that with our shapes. I'm going to show you your activity today. You're going to go back to the classwork page, just like this. And there's another Google Slides here. So it's another PowerPoint. If you click on this one, it will look like this. And it's got a black background this time. You're going to actually be doing work on here. So what I don't want you to do on this PowerPoint, I don't want you to click present. So don't click that button. Okay, I want you to you can go down here and you can actually slide the shapes across. It says here, slide the pizza. Click on it and drag it across. So I'm going to do that for you here. Okay, I'm clicking on it and I'm dragging it across. Now the pizza has been slid across. It looks exactly the same. Then you can go to the next one and do the same thing for the next one. Then we've got some flips which are in red. It says here, which lightning has been flipped? So you need to look at the three at the top and look at the original. This is the original. Which one has been flipped? Well, that one, if I drag this one down, has that been flipped? No, that's sliding. So it's not that one. All right, you're gonna have to drag the one that says flipped. So read the question carefully. This one, the yellow one's a slide. Which one has been slid? You have to drag it down and put it next to it. And then once you're finished, you can go back out to the classwork page and hit hand in. Okay, so we're sliding and flipping shapes. If you want to keep doing some more after that PowerPoint, if you finish all of them, you might make your own shape at home, just like how I made my L shape the other day. You might make a different shape and bring it to the mirror, and I want you to see what it looks like when it is flipped. Okay, so off you go. Have fun flipping and sliding shapes.